Good evening, everybody. My name is The Chef, and today we are going to make some eggs. First of all, we have our pan, we have our oil, we have our eggs, we have our plate. First of all, we're going to strike the matches. You just have to let the pan dry first. Yes, let the fire drain all the water out. Yes, as you can see, the pan is on the fire. As you can see, just let all the water drain first, right? Rachel Ray and Bobby Flynn never taught you, so I'm teaching you today how to make some eggs. Right, yes. Yes, you see the sizzle? You hear the sizzle? Yeah. Alright. Okay, now we take the dumb eggs. Oh, wait, stop. Before we take the dumb eggs, people, watch my steps, people. Don't do what you want. Follow my lead. You put the oil first. Alright, people? You put the dumb oil first. Now we take the dumb eggs. Wait, we wash out the eggs first, right? Alright, you wash the eggs first. Now you put the dumb eggs in the pan. Right, that's one egg. Yes, I usually crack eggs with a spoon because I don't have no strength. So, yeah, cope with me, please. That's the easier way. When you don't have no strength, take the spoon and crack the eggs. Alright. Now, you take the matching stick. You light the stove again. Hold on. Alright. Now you start turning the eggs. Watch me, people. See what I'm doing? Bobby Flynn and Richard, we never taught you how to do that on Food Network. So I should know the real Food Network. Alright? You see how the eggs is? Alright. Let me turn on the heat. It's too hot. So I made the eggs. Alright. Take it from your chef. Now, boom. Now, we take our plate. See, the eggs are made, alright? That's how you make eggs. Okay, people? Alright. You see? Now, that's the end of the video. I hope that everybody enjoyed this video. And I will see you all next time. Let me show you all the bread. I'll be eating with that bread by... What bakery is this? Let me see the bakery. Let me see the bakery. Alright. Cadas Bakery. Right? Cadas Bakery. Cadas Bakery. Right? In St. Lucia. So when you come in St. Lucia, tourists, you pass by the bakery. Cadas Bakery. Great. I'll see you guys next time. That was The Chef.